Hello, little friends. Welcome to the wonderful world of farming. Today, we're going to meet some very special animals. Are you ready? Let's go. First, we have the cheerful cow. Moo, moo, goes the cow. Can you say it with me? Moo, moo. Great job! Cows are big and fluffy. They love to munch on grass. And guess what? They give us milk. Milk helps our bones grow strong. Now, let's waddle over to the quacking ducks. Quack, quack, quack. Can you make the duck sound too? Quack, quack. Ducks love to splash in the water. They flap their wings and float like little boats. Ducks can be yellow, white, or even black. Isn't that colorful? Now, it's time to meet the silly sheep. Ba, ba, says the sheep. Can you join in? Ba, ba. Sheep are super soft and fluffy like clouds. They love to hang out in groups. Do you know what wool is? Wool comes from sheep. It's used to make sweaters and blankets. Now let's hop on over to the playful pigs. Oink, oink, says the pig. Can you oink with me? Oink, oink. Pigs love to roll in the mud. They get a little messy, but that's what makes them happy. Did you know pigs are very smart? They can learn tricks just like dogs. Now, let's tiptoe to the clucking chickens. Cluck, cluck, goes the chicken. Can you cluck too? Cluck, cluck. Chickens lay eggs. What color do you think eggs can be? They can be white, brown, or even blue. Oh, look over there. It's the big, strong horse. Neigh, neigh, says the horse. Can you say it? Neigh, neigh. Horses can run super fast. And they love to trot around the farm. Did you know horses can be friends with people? They love to be brushed and petted. Now let's meet the sneaky goats. Ba, ba, says the goat. Goats love to jump and climb. They can even climb trees. Can you imagine that? Goats eat almost anything, even your old shoes. Oh my, they are silly. Now, let's learn about teamwork. Animals on the farm work together. Cows and chickens help farmers. Ducks can keep the bugs away. And pigs help make the soil healthy. Isn't it amazing? Friendship is super important. Now, let's sing a song about our farm animals. Here we go. Moo, quack, ba, oink, neigh, and cluck. Farm animals are so much fun. Let's try saying the colors of our animals. What color is a cow? That's right, it can be black and white. What color is a duck? Yes, yellow and white. What about a pig? Pink, pink, pink. And a sheep? Fluffy white. Great job, little learners. Farm animals are colorful, just like you. Now, let's count our animals. 1 cow, huh? 2 ducks. 3 sheep. 4 pigs. 5 chickens. Wow, that's 5 different animals. Numbers are fun, aren't they? Animals also have their own special moves. Cows stomp their feet. Ducks waddle and shake their tails. Pigs roll in the mud. Chickens flap their wings and scratch the ground. And horses gallop gracefully. What animal do you want to learn more about? Maybe you want to be a farmer one day. Farming is all about caring for animals. It's good to be kind to all creatures. Kindness makes the world a better place. Now, let's say thank you to our animal friends. Thank you, cows, for your milk. Thank you, ducks, for your quacks. Thank you, sheep, for your wool. Thank you, pigs, for your laughs. Thank you, chickens, for your eggs. Thank you, horses, for your strength. And thank you, goats, for your fun. We love all of you. Animals make the farm so much fun. Remember to be curious about the world. Explore and learn every day. The more you know, the more fun it is. So what will we do next? Let's ask more questions. What's your favorite farm animal? What sounds do they make? How do we take care of them? Keep asking, little friends. There's always more to learn. And always remember to share and be kind. The farm is a happy place. Just like your heart. Thanks for coming to visit the farm today. Let's wave goodbye to our animal friends. Goodbye, cows. Goodbye, ducks. Goodbye, sheep. Goodbye, pigs. Goodbye, chickens. Goodbye, horses. Goodbye, goats. See you next time, little learners. Keep exploring and having fun. Bye bye. Remember, learning is an adventure. The world is waiting for you. Until next time, little farmers. Moo, quack, baa, oink, neigh, and cluck. What a fantastic day on the farm. See you soon, friends. Keep shining bright. And don't forget to smile. Goodbye for now.